Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a Saturday and it's a pretty quiet day. So I put the laundry in and I had an hour to just chill, and I thought that I would have coffee and plan with you guys. So this is probably going to be a very long video, hopefully not too long, and I wanted to show you how I plan on the weekends. And this is going to be messy planning. So today we will be using the Hobonichi Weeks as well as my Bujo notebook that I got from Daiso. And I don't daily plan on this anymore. In fact, I have hardly daily planned. I've mostly been weekly planning in my Hobonichi Weeks and monthly planning in my Bujo, which I update weekly. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I will link the plan with me for this one down below. Okay, so I have my 𝒉𝐼𝐸 here. This has been one of my favorite pens lately. I have a second 𝒉𝐼𝐸, a white one, but I haven't busted it out because this one is working very well. Now, I'm sorry for ambient noises like bird noises and other folly, but that's the way it is. That's why I have to voice over most of the time. Okay, so I have my November goals and we are now on the 14th, so it's going to be mid-month. So I like to go through my goals in the middle of the month just so to see what I have been doing. So here I have study stuff, which is to prepare for conferences. Now I have done one. There's one more that needs doing, and that will happen I think next week. So I have a conference that's happening online and there is a test session for that, and which will happen next week. It's gonna be a busy week. Okay, grant applications is done. SAM project, I haven't done that yet. Reimbursements, I'm still waiting on that. This is gonna take forever. So I do have budget tracking, trying to be frugal, and as a person under a scholarship, this is pretty good. So at least that amount. It's good to set an amount so you have a specific goal. Limit small purchases, that's going very well. So I'm gonna put first and second, and then I'm gonna say yes for the first one, and then budget all the things. I should do that also twice a month, so fortnightly, because that's when we get our stipend. So I've already done the first one, and then yes for this so far. So first half of the month, yes, and okay, this is done. I'm not sure about the improvements, but this is a new setup, so that's good for me. Okay, so this is my overview, and it's in the same video as the goals pages, or goals and focus pages. So we are on here. So tomorrow I'm going somewhere. Nothing. Okay, yes. This is gonna start next week. Okay, yes. And then last month of Hobonichi 2020 happens this month, or this week. And then on the 30th is to start a new Hobonichi. Now, let me just take my coffee into the other side. We grind our own beans, so we have super fresh coffee daily. It is amazing. Okay, and this is the first week of Hobonichi 2021, but not all of them, just the weeks and the day free. I haven't set up my Hobonichi Weeks. I should do that this week. No, yeah, but it will be posted in December. Ooh, very exciting. Okay. So let me just update the second half of the month. So as you can see, the first half is already like completely full, and I think I should pull my brush pen. Also pull this just in case. I have my dot stickers. I had a lot of comments asking where to get that. It is from Daiso. Oh, there it is. So this is the brush pen that I used. This is from Daiso, but this is from the GP Studio. Check out her shop. Her shop is great. I did this. Oh my god. That's an hour and a half of just a workshop on how to fill out all the forms and all the admin stuff. Whew, that like drained the life out of me. So I have a renew the book, and then I have something very exciting on the 22nd. It is the Diablo season 22. I play Diablo a lot, you know, because it's like a brainless activity. It's a brainless game. Aim at bad guys, shoot bad guys, try not to die, and collect all the shiny things. Best game ever made. People are still playing Diablo 2, and I'm actually playing Diablo 3. Okay. On the 23rd, I have a meeting. This is... Oh wait, hang on. Library. I have a meeting. This is a giant meeting. It will take the entire week to prep for this meeting because I have 2 supervisors to meet that day, which means I have to answer not 1 but 2. Answer to 2 inquiring minds. Right, so happy mail. I did not think that either of these will be extended to the next of the month. I thought I'd be able to cross any of them out. The AliExpress order is now in limbo, and then this one is coming Monday. I'm writing awkwardly because the filming setup is a little bit awkward. That didn't happen, so neither of these happened. And then... Okay, so this little space just tells me what happened or is gonna happen for the next week. So last time I wasn't really keen on like writing this down because a lot of things were in limbo, so I didn't want to write it down. But now I'm thinking that, well, okay. Okay, so for this entry, I'm waiting on information, specifically a schedule for when this will happen. Okay, so this is a happy mail, and I did not write it on this side because this side is where the events that have a specific time and date already and isn't gonna move. So this one, I don't know. DHL says it's gonna come Monday. The reason I'm filming this video is because I trust no one at this point. And that is sad, right? So Etsy orders should also arrive. Okay, so I have an Etsy order that would be arriving, but I don't know when. Good, and then I'm gonna go ahead and highlight it. It's getting messier by the second. Okay, I'm gonna highlight the bottom of the entire week. Guess who's not sleeping on Sunday? This is next week, and then the week after that, I'm gonna already start. I know that I'm gonna miss stuff, but yeah. This is gonna be intense because, wow, the last 2 weeks of November is gonna be intense. The reason being is because I have a Black Friday special coming, and that is what the Etsy order is for. So the Etsy order needs to come in because, you know, shipping delays is everywhere. Wow, so many things need to happen. Okay, now that is done. I'm not gonna fill this out for this week because there might be other things that are happening that comes up next week. I'm gonna take the Hobonichi Weeks. Then I'm going to update it using this pen. It's Platinum Preppy. I have a mixture of 𝐿𝐴𝐴𝐿𝐴 Pearl Noir as well as one of the Sailor inks in here, the blue one. I forgot the name, but I'm just gonna go ahead and fill this out. Okay. Okay, so that monthly update is done. Alright, so this is my side-by-side uni and social media. So that is what we have. Now, habit tracking never really worked, so we're gonna skip that. We watched something fun. There we go. I think next time it's just gonna be movies. Okay. And then, oh, alright, you guys. So this is gonna be intense because I have a thing. And we decided to team up to have a partnership for Black Friday. And not only will I be coming out with content, I will also give you a very big discount code. So make sure that you watch out for that Black Friday special. And also my flip through. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to that other page. Alright, so here we have Monday video. So Monday video is either the, I'm just gonna call it MT, either the unboxing. And then I'm just gonna say that Wednesday video is this messy plan with me. Either way, if it switches, and then Wednesday video is the Black Friday special. And then, okay, let me give you a treat. On Monday, I will post my Hobonichi Weeks flip through. And then we'll do another plan with me, a last plan with me on the Saturday. And then we start the new Hobonichi. That should work out. Okay, that makes me happy. I wouldn't have to worry about it. Then let's go back to our Hobonichi for next week so I can track this. Basically, I'm just copying it. Wow, special day. Okay, yay, that's cute. Now it's messy. That's what happens. I'll give you a sneak peek of this week. It looks organized, more organized than this one. This one is gonna be a hell of a week. Okay, so that's it for us today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.